Welcome. In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a language in MPS. We'll build a little state machine language with events, variables, states, transitions, and guard conditions by reusing an existing expression language. We'll also build a second language that tests the original state machine language, and we can even run this to execute the tests. Finally, we conclude by illustrating how to build tabular notations and diagrams as part of the overall state machine story. So in this very first video, we briefly talk about how to get all the tools you need. Obviously, you start with downloading MPS. Right now, I'm using version 2018.2 point something, 2.5 in this case. If you watch this video when 2.3 or 4 is out, I'm sure this will work as well. We'll migrate the repository. So you download MPS, right? Just doing that, and it will be downloaded to wherever your downloads end up. Right now, it's here in the downloads folder. The next thing you need is the embedder platform and IETS3. Without explaining too much, you go to build.embedder.com to the login page, right? And then you log in as, this is what you see, and then you log in as guest. And you can see a couple of projects here. The first one you go to embedder, and then to the platform, and you download the master branch, the latest build. You do that by clicking on master, and then you can select the most recent successful artifacts, and then you download this stuff. I've already done this, so then it looks like that. And what you have to do to make these plugins available to your MPS is you take all the directories here, right? You don't need the jar files here. You copy those, right? Command C. And then you put them into the plugins folder of your MPS. We have to wait a little bit until it has downloaded. Once you've done that, you do exactly the same with you go to IETS3, the open source repository, master branch, latest build, artifacts, and you download those two. And then you do exactly the same thing in terms of installing those into MPS. So again, you copy all the directories, and these are actually MPS plugins, and you put them into MPS itself. So if you do that, I'm going to just move to my other already installed MPS. You go to embedder, MPS, you do show package contents, and then there is a plugins directory, and that's where you put everything, Command V. I don't do it here because I run from sources instead of from the build plugins, but you just put them here, and that is it. And you do that for the embedder platform and for IETS3 open source. Both of these have to go here.